Dear students, today our topic is factor theorem. First of all, we will give it a statement to let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let A be any real number, and let A be any real number such that P of A is equal to 0. Then x minus A is a factor of Px. Conversely, if x minus A is a factor of Px, then P of A is equal to 0. Proof. While making use of the remainder theorem, we will prove the factor theorem. By the remainder theorem, you know, when the polynomial Px is to be divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder theorem says that remainder is equal to P of a. Since the polynomial is to be divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, therefore P of x is equal to qx into x minus a plus P of a, where qx is the quotient and P of a is the remainder. When the polynomial Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. Suppose, or let P of a is equal to 0, then from this equation we get P of x is equal to qx into x minus a plus 0. It will be equal to qx into x minus a, implying x minus a is the factor of Px, because Px is equal to qx into x minus a. Conversely, let x minus a be the factor of Px. Then we can find the polynomial qx such that Px is equal to qx into x minus a. For or put x is equal to a, we get from this equation P of a is equal to q of a into a minus a. It is equal to q of a. Since a minus a is 0, this will turn out to be 0. Now I will give you an example so that this factor theorem can be clear to you. Prove that or show that x minus 1 is the factor of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. We have to make use of the factor theorem to prove that x minus 1 is the factor of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Here, let p of x be equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. And the 0 of x minus 1 is 1. Because when we put x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1. By the factor theorem, if p of 1 is equal to 0, if p of 1 is equal to 0, then x minus 1 is the factor of px, otherwise not. Now, we will show whether p of 1 is equal to 0 or not. Now, p of 1 is equal to, in place of x, we have to substitute x is equal to 1. So, it will turn out to be 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1 minus 1. It is equal to 1 cube is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel, plus 1 and minus, so it is equal to 0. Therefore, by the factor theorem, x minus 1 is the factor of px is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1.